Welcome. In front of me I have Smart TV Samsung TU 8000 82 inches, and I'm going to show you how we can change language of this device. So at the first we have to grab our remote control and click right here to open the settings. Next, by using the keys, the arrows, we have to move to the settings, click OK, move to the general and click on the system manager. Right now tap on the language, and right now you can easily pick up your favorite. I can change it for the Polish, for example, and as you can see, our language has changed. So that's how we can make it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!